Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up asset locations in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Google Chrome, and once in the Google Chrome you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar. Then here you have to choose the first website, and once you're here you have to just simply sign in or start now by clicking on there. And then what the next process is, it will simply take you to this dashboard, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns option from here, and here you have to just simply click on the assets, and from here you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here. After that there will be lots of options. You have to just simply click on the location option from here, and once you're in the location option you have to just simply click on the select the location types you want to advertise. So let's go for the affiliate location, then click on continue. After that it will simply take you to this page. Here you can see the choose locations for your account. Here are so many countries, so let's say I would like to go for the United States, and just simply click on the United States like that. Here we'll get the option or more detailed addresses here. So let's go for the 10% fitness or whatever, a random one. Okay, so I have choose the 100 monetary dose, and then you have to just simply click on the continue option from here. And that's it guys, that's how you can easily just locate your asset management. So it is as simple as that guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.